These yellows don't match the most, so don't come for me. And I feel like I did a pretty good job because I don't see that band, girl. See that? Like, you could have just a little bit of leave out in the front and still be good to go without it looking crazy. I feel like this is super cute. Do you see this pattern? Do you see this pattern? Like, Julia hair comes through. You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fair out of you made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throat. When I grow, I boldly grow. And time passes. Flames of perfect. They will rise, no light. Down to rest, down to close. When I grow, I boldly grow. And time passes. Flames of perfect. They will rise, no light. Down to rest, down to close. When I grow, I boldly grow. And time passes. Flames of perfect. They will rise, no light. Down to rest, down to close. When I grow, Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So today I'm just coming back to you guys with a update video on this unit that I picked up from Julia Hair. If you did not catch my initial review, make sure you check that out. I'll just get into the specs real quick for you guys if you have not seen that initial review. So yes, this is a headband wig. So it does come with that pre-attached Velcro strap band to the front. It does have 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps, as you do get with a lot of these headband wigs. So what I did a little bit differently this time versus my initial video is that I kind of tucked the actual black Velcro band inside so that it was easier to actually slap a band on top of it without needing to worry about the black band itself showing. So as you can see, I did leave the front out, and I honestly feel like this looks pretty good. I just wanted to show you guys how you can actually get to maintain these curls. I am really actually impressed with how this hair has been holding up, and the only product that I've been using to actually get it to maintain this beautiful Jerry curl hairstyle is just the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair calm detangler. So this has been honestly working really great. It worked really well at reviving the curls. I feel like honestly this unit is super pretty and it's been holding the curls on its own, but I just wanted to show you guys that if you wanted more defined curls, that is literally all that it takes for you to actually redefine the curl pattern. As a whole, I feel like I still really do like this unit. I feel like it is ridiculously versatile, and all the styles that I initially did were wearing it as if it were a headband wig, but if you wanted to wear it more along the lines of a half wig or 3/4 wig, you definitely could get away with that. And even if you have 4C hair like myself, you definitely could just have a little bit of leave out in the front, girl. This unit is in the style Malaysian Jerry Curl. I did get it from Julia Hair. It's been holding up super well. As always with a lot of these units, I did get a little bit of shingling, a little bit of shedding, a little bit of tangling, but like I said, it wasn't anything too crazy. And especially after I added the detangler, that really helped to alleviate a lot of the tingling and shedding. It takes product extremely well. I really like the quality of it, the density of it, the versatility of it. I really like the texture of it, the length of it, the fact that they did not skimp on the density or the length at all whatsoever. I've only been wearing it for a couple of days, and even without putting product in those couple of days, I feel like even now coming on camera, I honestly didn't need to add product in it because that's how well it's been holding up. When I grow, I boldly grow, and time passes. Flames of perfect. They will rise, no light. Down to rest, down to close. And then I make sure for sure that I have my satin cap on. So then after I have these 2 braids going on, then what I do is ponytail this bad boy like that. So then after I have these two ponytail situations going on, I just pop on my satin cap, and my satin caps are extra large, so there's a lot of stretch in them, and I just pop it on and I'm good to go. It's super easy. Like, you've seen how quick I just did that. So honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I feel like it's been holding up really good. Like I said, I will come back to you guys with yet another update after I wear this for some more time to let you know my final thoughts on it. So make sure you stay tuned into my channel, so when I come back and let you know the real deal with the real long update, you can see exactly how this hair has been holding up for me, and if you think this is one that you'd be interested in picking up. So that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.